Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, I already discussed about Laravel file structure. Now I want to work on it. So step by step, each and everything will be very much clear to you. So into this session, first of all, I want to create one of the code application with using the Laravel. That means how can create data, how can read data from to the database, how can update data, and how can delete data from to the database. That means how can create the code application with using the Laravel step by step. I will show you that things with the live example. For doing this here, I already installed our Laravel and that is the Laravel by default one of the template, that is a blade template. So right now I want to make the things little bit interactive. For code functionalities, I don't want to use any template for this one. I want to create that template with using the material design bootstrap. So with the material design, you can actually create one of the page. So I will show you step by step, each and everything will be very much clear to you. Like if you go to the Google and here if you search with the material bootstrap CDN, then you will get a lot of the resources. So with this CDN you can actually create one of the page layout very easily. So I will show you how much easily you can do that work, then it will be very much clear to you. Like there is also one of the site as a mdbootstrap.com, and into this site you will get all that material design bootstrap file on particular dat positions. Like if you go to here, and now there is also one of the option as a download, like click on the download, and here there is an option for the direct download, and here if you click on the direct download, then you will get one of the zip file. So I already downloaded, like if in our exercise file I will share that file with you. That is a mdb file, and here you can see there is actually the mdb file at 488 zip. So that is the zip file. When you click on here, there is a direct download, then you will get this type of one of the folders. That is our in our exercise file. I already share it. So now first of all you have to do, there is a zip file, you have to extract it. Like here I extract it, and into these positions here you can see there is all that css. You get that things from here. There is a bootstrap mean, there is a bootstrap, there is a mdb css, all the required things. Like there is a font, the images, and also all the jss file. That means the bootstrap mean jss. Okay, so with using this material bootstrap, then how much easily you can create one of the, you can design one of the page. I will show you, then it's really very much interactive. And also they have all the things. Like here you can see that is, if you want to add some of the navigation, you get that code from here. If you want to add some of the tables, if you want to add the forms, I will show you, then it should be very much clear to you. So first of all here you have to extract it, and here there is our index.html. So now I want to open it. Like here I just open it with the sublink text editor. So here that is all that file. So that is all that css file is linked on here. That is also, that is a js file. So now I want to update our default template. So when you install that Laravel, that is our default template. And into the default template, what exactly the things happening? Like here, when you actually access that route, that means the home route. So if you go our that positions, like that is our route, and into the route there is a web.php, and into the web.php there is actually the URL, one of the parameters. So here it means actually the home. Okay, and when you access that URL, that means the home URL, its function return you to the view and the welcome page. That means if you go to the resources, and here you can see there is one of the folder as a views, and into the views there is a welcome, and blade.php is the Laravel default template engine name. Okay, so now you can see that page name is the welcome. So it still redirected to you that page, that means this welcome page. So now for the code application, I want to create some of the file and folder, and then I will segment it. Okay, I will show you. Right now that is a view. Okay, like in our view I just create one of the folder, and I just name it as a layout. Okay, I just name it as a layout, and into the layouts here I want to create one of the file. Like here I just click as a save as, and I want to create one of the file as a main dot blade dot php. So I just name it, and I also want to create another one. Like here I want to create another file name. I just make the things as a save as. Okay, I just click on the save as, and I just name it as a footer dot blade dot php. Okay, and also I want to create another page. Like here I want to create another page, and click on the save as, and I just name it as a never dot blade dot php. Okay, so here I created three of this file. One is the main, one is the neighbor, and another is the footer. Okay, so that is actually the three part. And in the main blade, that means here, so in particular that position I want to do in our bootstrap, that means in our bootstrap here I open one of the file, that is the index.html. So now I just copy whole things from here. Okay, I just copy whole things from here, and in our main blade here I paste it. And now here there is all that link, there is a JS link, and also they have some of the CSS link. So we have to update it. So right now there is index HTML, we don't need this. I just remove that things from here. So first of all, here I want to update that path. So for doing this in Laravel, if you want to access it, you have to define that with the double second bracket, and here you have to define as an asset. Okay, asset, and into the asset means actually the root directory. Okay, like if you go our drive, like here there is our L block. So asset means it should be started from to this position, that means this directory. In our project directory I just assign that in Laravel as a asset, and after that asset here in our that folder, that is all that folder, the CSS font, and then the images JS and this one. So all that folder I just copy from here, and in our project, in our public here I just want to create one of the folder as a test. Okay, I just define as a test, and here I just paste all that folder particular that position. And now I want to link that page. So that is in our project that which I assign that things with the asset, and after that asset then the public, and then the test. So here you have to assign it. So I just define that asset, and after that asset here you have to define your public, that means the public folder. So I just define as a public folder, and after that public folder I created one of the folder as a test. So I just define as a test, and after the test here you can see there is actually CSS folder and the bootstrap CSS, right? Like if you go to that page, like there is a public, and after that public there is a test folder, and into the test folder there is a CSS, and then after the CSS here you can see there is a bootstrap.css. So that will be our file link. So for now I just copy it. Okay, I just start it and I just paste on particular that position. I hope you can well understand about it. Asset means that our project root directory, and after the project root directory I just define our things, like that is our asset, that means our project root directory, and after that there is a public, and after public there is a test, and then the CSS and all that CSS file link. And also we have to do the same things for with our JS, like there is our all the JSS file. So now first of all I have to update it. Okay, so better I just copy it, and I also have to update this one, also update this one, that is a CSS. I just start it, and there is a CSS style. Okay, so first of all you have to add all the file links. So I just start it and I just paste it on here, and also they have some of the JSS. So for the JS we have to also do the same things. Better I just copy it, and here I just paste it. So after that test, then the JS folder, like if you go to this place, like here you can see that after the test then the JS folder and all the JSS file. So right now I want to add that file, like there is a JSS. I just start it, and after the test, so here I just paste it. So I just copy it, and here I just paste. Okay, so for now I just updated that JS all that file. I got it, and here I just update it. Also there is another JS, so I just got it, and here I just paste it, and there is also another JS as a MDB means, so I just got it, and here after that JS I just add it. So here I updated our path, that means all the JS file path I updated, and here that is our all that CSS I just updated on particular that position. So I hope you can well understand about it. And now that is the part, so that is the our project part. So right now I remove all the things from here. Okay, and in particular that position I just want to make that page segment. Like here I want to include our footer, I want to include our neighbor on particular that position. So how can segment that page? I will continue this process, and in our next video I will show you that things with a live example. So if you know that basic structure, then Laravel will be very much fun for you. So stay tuned with me. I will see you in the next video.